I was almost thrown in a trash, but someone bought me from discount. Let's become something else, like, tasty fish finger. Okay, let's do this. And welcome! Today we're making some fish fingers in air fryer. So let's cut out the fin, and now it's time to take out the skin. So we make a cut in the thick end, and behind the first fish finger we put the blade next to the skin and slide it off. And there you go. It's almost done. So here is a big fillet, and then let's take off the first fish finger like that. And now let's cut the other piece into equal size fish fingers, like so. And then a little bit salt on top of each piece. And after that, let's roll each fish finger in wheat flour, and after that in egg, and after that in breadcrumbs. And there you go. Do that to all of the fish fingers. Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes, put fish fingers in, and boom, 4 minutes. And there you go. And here is the result. So it's crispy outside, and from the inside it's really moist and tender. So keep in mind that don't keep these too long in the air fryer, otherwise you will get some dry fish. So I think the 4 minutes on 200 centigrades is super great. And as you can see, I have this dip here. What is that? Let's make that. So dill, some Greek yogurt, salt, lemon pepper, and of course some lemon, and give it a little whip after that. And there you go, like so. And if you liked the video, press like and of course subscribe. Thank you very much.